This is actually my second coffee for today. I'm just so super tired. I can't tell you why. I'm just really tired. So for me to have a second cup of coffee is, it really does say something, because I'm usually a 1 cup a day kind of gal. I've got a lot of things to do and I got to get it done. I have a super messy kitchen. A little embarrassing, but I was canning last night, and you know, you're tired when you're doing all of that, and got most of the dishes done. So I got to put all that stuff away, dishes, laundry, feed animals, get kids breakfast. I already have one kid sent off for his activity for the morning until he comes home. Did I say laundry? Because that's just going to be all day. And I'm going to try to can some green beans today as well. So I'm just going to, you know, take you along my day. Every day is different, but just thought you guys might want to see what I'm doing today. Do you want oatmeal with jam?
What?
Do you want oatmeal with jam?
See?
I am switching out canners today. Yesterday I did a water bath for the strawberry jam, but I need to get my pressure canner because I'm going to do green beans at some point today, so I got to switch out canners. So as I'm folding laundry here, I was thinking about towels and how I fold them, and I'm pretty particular on how I do it. I fold them like this. Do you guys fold your towels that way, or do you do it the other way? I don't know, it doesn't seem right. Like, I feel like I have to have them in piles like this. I don't know, it's aesthetically pleasing. Makes me feel good. tired? Still waking up? These are my canning bowls. Pretty big. I put the green beans in gallon bags here, the Ziploc freezer gallon bags, but they look really good. I will not be throwing these away. I do reuse these just because, I mean, if I can reuse them, they're just expensive. They look really good.
That's a lot of salt.
Okay, and then just put like 1 teaspoon in there in each one. Thank you so much. Oopsies. I'm hoping you guys can hear me because it is a bit windy out today, but so in the mornings as I'm getting things started and the house cleaned up for the day, I go out and I check on my quail because I got to give them their feed for the day and their water. Now what I've been doing with my quail actually is that I've been giving them fermented feed along with their crumble, and I just mix it up for them. It keeps them hydrated and it's really good for them. Here you go, girls. All right, we gotta make sure that we get the bunnies some feed.
Okay.
I think Gil's running out, and I have to check. Good morning. And she's fine with her feed.
Okay, good. Let's get Gil some because his favorite thing to do is eating.
Oh, how she can manage to get up there. This is Daisy. She's a New Zealand bunny. And she's a very good bunny. Right? All right, all right, all right.
And this is Gil. He is also in New Zealand.
All right, so I'm just gonna get some quail eggs together because I have to run them down to a friend's house. It's kind of a nice exchange because we barter food with each other. And I think that that's great. She can help me out, I can help her out, and that way there's no exchange of money. Oh my gosh, it's like not even 10 o'clock yet, and I think it's like almost 90 degrees out right now. But anyway, I'm gonna go run some errands. I'm going through my freezer and I'm thinking hamburgers tonight. I have to see if I have bread. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm gonna make little sliders today.
Okay. You have little buns?
Mm-hmm. Here, can you do something
see?
with this?
Those are little.
Yes, they are.
Are they?
Yeah, compared to a hamburger bun. I know, Jill said the same thing. Look, the hamburger bun is over there.
Yeah, you're right. Gosh, I'm so hungry. I don't know why. Are you making sourdough again?
No, that is fermented food for the chicks. The quail.
We still have ribs,
Hmm? They need some of that.
right?
Absolutely. All All right, so now I'm actually gonna put my sliders on the cast iron and cook them that way and just finish up supper. So I think for the side dish for the sliders is, I think I'm gonna make some sort of baked mac and cheese. I feel like today I literally have been living in the kitchen. All right, I'm back outside with my quail again, and it's the late afternoon, so usually this is a time where they lay eggs for me, so let's see what they have. Okay, so today was a very busy day, but I'm glad I got things done in spite of how tired I was. You know, I really do enjoy getting things done and being productive. So it's the evening time. I still have to go out and pick some peas and take my son to a softball game and sit for that. That's why I'm ending it right here. Other than that, if you like my content and you'd like to see more, definitely like and subscribe. I would be so grateful. It helps me out so much. And I hope also that you guys liked supper. Tell me what you think of that, and if you have any other great ways that you make sliders or any suggestions. I know I love learning from you guys as well. Other than that, guys, have a great rest of your week, and as always, God bless.